Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to close your Wise account permanently. So simply in order to do this, just you have to click on the this top button, and now after clicking on this button simply go to settings, and now after that just you can find all the settings here. Just go down and here you can find close your account option. So simply what you need to do, just click on close your account, and after that click on continue. And now here, before you go, tell us why you are leaving. So simply type any reason. After that click on close account. So here, before you deleting account, you can chat with agent or simply click on continue account with closure. So in this way you can easily close your account on Wise.